A team of officials led by Mccl Chera Cement Limited MCCL chairman Mccl will be visiting Bhavika Commercial Private Limited in Kolkata before entering into an agreement for a joint venture to run the MCCL. Talking to reporters today, Shilla said that the team will conduct a study on credentials of the Kolkata-based firm to see if it has any expertise in running a cement factory. He further informed that they will be submitting a report to the government, after which the cabinet will take a final call on the matter. Meanwhile, Shilla, who is also the NPP MLA from Jowai, said that the Jowai Municipal Board had adopted short-term measures to address the problem of garbage in Jowai town.
I already informed, 3 of them participated, and out of the 3, 2 back down, and then only one, this Bhavika Private Limited from Kolkata, who came forward and then present their presentation to the board. And then after that, after giving presentation to the board, and I took him to Chief Minister, and then even Chief Minister find that the presentation is quite practical, it's good, and we can move forward. And then he has asked me that I should go to Kolkata and visit his plant of that Bhavika Private Limited to see whether he is really a cement manufacturer or not.
The Films Division Government